acres is a naturally reclaimed mining tract that has given this quiet, secluded, and convenient hideaway unique attributes and beauty. Located just 10 minutes south of Stigler, Oklahoma, it boasts a variety of features that make it ideal as a hunting and recreation getaway with a potential cabin or a permanent home site, along with beautiful meadows for cattle and horses. It includes several different water features stocked with catfish, bass, and crappie, trails for ATV or horse riding, a lazy creek, walking trails, and 2 long ponds that allow for kayaking, rowing, and more. Hunting abounds with blinds and ideal bait station areas with improved grasses. The varying topography allows for some beautiful views and a variety of fun. Located in the center of the property is a newer 60 by 40 pole barn with large shop doors and attached 60 by 15 lean-to with a small solar panel system. This area of the property is suitable for a hunting cabin with a nice open area between and above the 2 large ponds and has room for parking, storage, and a small boat dock. A 25-acre lush open meadow provides excellent hay baling and grazing for cattle and horses. This meadow would also make an ideal home site. The timber is mostly hardwoods and native trees with clean ground cover and spacing excellent for hunting and exploring. This is a must-see. Call today.